Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rooftop Botanist. So this is my second plant, tomato plant. This is that I am growing. So this is the condition right now. It has been raining for the past 3 to 4 days, but right now it is cleaned up and the sky is actually clean, you can see, and the sun is up. So yeah, everything is fine right now. And as you can see, the plant is a little bit dull, maybe because of the lots of water and the nutrients have gone down. But as you can see, the water have dried up, the soil is dry, okay, and the condition of the plant is actually a little bit down. I think a lot of flowering is happening. This is the first flower, this is the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, whatever. A lot of flowering is happening, and I think a little of conditional problem is there. The soil has no nutrition. I am growing this fertilizer there, but I have not given it to the soil, so it is going very beautifully. And you can see the top that, yeah, a lot of worm is there, so it is very nutritious for the plants or the soil, because microorganisms are very good for the nutrient generation for the plant. Breakdown of the organic matter and nutrient will be available for plant easily. So this is the condition of the plant. It is a little bit down, but I will fertilize it after tomorrow I will fertilize it, then water it, and I will give you the updates. So right now you can see there's a lot of flowering is happening, but no fruits is there. So I will update you in the next video, that will be the next week, and you will be able to see maybe 2 to 3 tomato fruit. Solanum lycopersicum, this is scientific name. There I think within a week there will be a lot of fruit, you can see. I will keep you updated. Stay tuned for the next video and subscribe for more updates like this. And if you like this channel, give it a like. Thank you.